Hello guys. So if you're looking to delete your Instagram account in 2023, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply click on Instagram, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on three lines at the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy, then go to account center. Now from there click on personal details, and after that go to account ownership and control. Then click on deletion and deactivation. Now choose your account. Now over here you will be given two options, deactivation or delete. So choose whichever you want. So in this case I will delete my account, so I will just simply click on the box over here and choose delete account. Then after that all you have to do is just simply hit continue and your account will be deleted. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.